Hello, we are working with the TRX today. So a TRX was originally designed in the military. There was someone who, I think he was like a Navy SEAL or something like that, or a Marine, and they were on mission in the Middle East somewhere, and he had no way to keep his team or his group fit and in shape. So he attached a rope to a tank and designed like this whole program with like squats and lunges and this and that. So all it is a rope, okay, that's attached to the ceiling. You can either use an anchor point in your ceiling, or you can actually hook it around the back of a door, and you can buy these on Amazon if you're interested, all right? And I'd be more than happy to train with you individually and teach you the whole thing, okay? Today we're gonna work a little bit with the squats and the row. So my feet are hip distance apart. I am going to sit back in my chair, neutral spine. So I'm gonna sit back, arms are long, and then you're gonna squeeze the shoulder blades back together with a row. So my elbows are back for a row, up for a high row, okay? Here we go. We are going to squat, row, row. Inhale and exhale. You're always inhale down, exhale up, always. Breathing in, breathing out, because we want to fight gravity, right? Yes. Exhale. Try 3 more. 3. Awesome job. Breathe in, breathe out. And last one. Okay, now I'm going to put feet together for my next squat with a high row. So this time your palms are down, elbows come out. You are going to lean back in your chair squat, and you're going to pull your elbows out. 10. Here we go. 9. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Really squeeze your bum, pull your stomach in when you lift. 6. Look up at the anchor point on the ceiling. 4 more. You're gonna really open up that chest. 3 more. Squeeze your knees, please. 2. And last one. Awesome job. Now, step back lunge. All this means when you step back, you're gonna have something to hold on to. All right, so nice little warm up here. Step back lunge. And again, my arms go long and they tuck back in. I'm not holding on for dear life like this, okay? So that's the biggest thing I can say. When you're working with the TRX, your arms go long, like that, and then they kind of tuck back in. All right, this is called a step back lunge. Let's try 4 more. 3, 2, and last 1. Woo! Great. So you can do things facing the TRX, sideways on the TRX, working the side of the body, and then you can also do things away from the TRX. Okay? Everything we've done so far, and you can repeat that at home if you need, if you want to, we need to, would be the squat with a row, squat with a high row, okay? And then we just step back lunge, step back lunge. Those 3 exercises. Now we're gonna turn around. You ready? Okay, come on, we're gonna work the triceps. This is awesome. So you're standing here, and I always joke around, it's like you're knocking on the door. You're knocking on the door, because you want your elbows up in front of your chest, okay? Or, sometimes I used to say when I taught classes with this, was you're gonna bring your bum with you. See how my whole body goes down there? So I'm leaning forward, pressing up, hands to forehead, hands pressing down. All right, we're gonna do 8 of each of these. That's 5. Breathe in, breathe out. 4. 3, squeeze your bum, feet are together. 2, good, last one. Okay, now, this is called the rollout, okay? Not to be confused with the roll up. For my Pilates people, okay? So you're just gonna lean forward and press down. So this is a little bit scary when you do this. So one thing with the TRX is if you feel like, oh, I'm gonna fall, or I kind of feel like this is really, really tight, like I might pull something here, you're in charge. You just step forward, and then you're not leaning, your body weight is now at a different angle. See what I mean? So I'm increasing the angle, decreasing the resistance. It's all geometry. Do you guys remember geometry? Okay, so if I want to make it a little harder, I'm going to step back. All right, now let's do 4 more triceps just to kind of reinforce that. Bend, 4, knock on that door, 3. It's an inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, last one, and the roll out for 4. Breathe in, breathe out, 4, 3. Stretching, this is one of my favorite ones. And last one. Okay, now we're going to do chest press. So you're going to step back. You're going to open those elbows all the way. Now I am in like a 90-degree angle with that, okay? So you're here, here, and there. Here, and there. Here, and there, okay? So this is like a lot of the shoulder blade love here, okay? That's squeezing that walnut love, okay? So you're inhaling and exhaling. Breathing in. Again, this might feel a little bit scary if you've never tried that before. Let's just do 5 more. So if so, okay, you can step forward. And you're reducing the resistance level because you're opening up the angle, or you step back if you're feeling a little bit stronger. Okay, just one more, okay? Let's just do one more. Now here's my favorite. Are you ready to open up your hip flexors? Yes? Okay. I hope you're still watching this video because this is the best part. All right? Now, you're going to alternate step forward lunge, and your arms are going to go up in a big V. All right? So it's going to feel like $1,000,000. It's like, yes, I'm strong. I'm going to stretch my hip flexors. I am going to stretch the arms. I am going to feel good. All right? All right, so here we go. So you're going to step forward, open up those arms, and push the heel to come back. I'm saying it like that because I want you to use your hamstrings. So big step, big push. All right, let's do 9 more there. Here we go. 9. Oh my God, arms in a V. Woo! Nice job. 8. Right, left. You can do it. 7. Very good. Look up, look up. 6. Nice job. You're lunging. 5. Open up the hips, please. 4. You're going to get ready for the best stretch of your life. You ready? 3. Step, step. 2. Push with the heel. Oh my God. Last time. Step forward, lunge, arms in a high V, opening up the chest and stretching hip flexors. And here we go. Step the right foot forward and hold. Plant your back heel, warrior 1, open the arms in a big T, looking ahead, bending that front knee. Okay, now you're going to keep your legs stable, pull your stomach in, you're going to bring your arms up and down, and then you're going to go all the way around again, bending the front knee, bending the front knee. Awesome job, hold it. Come back up and down, open, look up, and push back. You ready to try the other side? Okay, come on. So left foot forward, steps. Plant your back heel for warrior 1, opening the arms in a big T. Holding that pose. Up and down. And then all the way around like that. Bring your back arm up. I always joke around, I'm like, this is worth showing up for your training appointment. This one stretch. Open up and down, because I know it takes a lot to just like have someone hold you accountable to that workout, right? Up and down. And then one final thing, you're just gonna open up the arms like this. Okay, you can go this way so you can see better maybe. And you're here, so you're just gonna open and hang forward. And again, if this feels too much, you're just going to step forward a little bit, okay? All right, so here we are. Arms in a T, and you're just opening up. You're opening up. You are letting your arms go back, and if it's too much, you're going to step forward. It feels so good. If you're on the computer for 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever, a long time today, and you feel like a lot of tension in the neck and the shoulders, this is a terrific solution. All right, so just opening up, and then I kind of like to go side to side. Woo. Last thing, arms are back, hip hinge. All right, and then we can go to a forward fold. Great job today, guys. Really proud of you. Have an awesome weekend.